This continuous chip-on-board strip delivers very even, natural white light along the full 32.8-foot length, so you do not see distracting dots or dark gaps on walls or under cabinets. The high density of light-emitting diodes and wide beam angle make it bright enough for task lighting, while still looking refined in coves, shelves, and display cases. Color quality is impressive for this category, with rendering that keeps wood tones, artwork, and food looking accurate rather than washed out or overly cool. The included radio frequency remote and dimming control let you fine-tune both brightness and effects from across the room, which makes it easy to shift from work lighting to a softer evening mood. Installation is straightforward thanks to the flexible design, strong backing tape, and clearly marked cut points that allow you to size the two rolls to your exact layout. Running on low-voltage direct current with modest power draw and very low heat, it stays comfortable to touch and is well suited for everyday indoor use around children and pets.